What's up guys, and welcome back to another plumbing tricks video. Alright, so if you're a plumber and you solder a lot of copper pipes in a day, I'm ready to bet you've already encountered this issue a few times where your jar of flux gets contaminated. Well, here's a cool trick to make sure it doesn't happen again. Get your torch and heat the end of a half-inch pipe and use it to melt a hole in the lid. Now your brush could stay in the jar and nothing will go in it. Pretty neat, right? So you're trying to level your pipe out, but you can't because you have a fitting on and your level won't fit in between. Don't worry, I have just the solution for you. Get yourself 2 nuts of the same size and place them on the levels magnets as such. They'll lift the level up just enough for you to get an accurate reading, and plus, your friends will be impressed. The next trick is super useful if you're soldering close to a wall and you don't want it to catch on fire. Get yourself an old license plate and use 2 small nails to hold it in place. It'll protect the wall from getting burnt and you'll look cool doing it. If you have a plastic pipe to cut and you only have a metal saw blade to do it, here's a nice trick that'll keep your hands protected while cutting it. Get some electrical tape and wrap it around the end of the blade. It'll be a lot easier on your hands and much quicker to complete the cut this way. And lastly, when installing a toilet, it's really important that the flange bolts don't turn while you tighten them. A nice trick to know here is to get a small pair of locking pliers and hold the top of the bolt while tightening it. The top threads will be cut off once you're done, so you don't need to worry about the damaged threads. This will ensure that they don't spin and make for a solid install. And as always, like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed or learned something from this video. And until the next one, thanks for watching.